Welcome to FK iPhone. Today we are diving into the latest Moto Edge40 2025, a device that pushes boundaries with its sleek design, powerful features and upgraded performance. Let's break down what makes this phone a strong contender in the smartphone market. The Moto Edge40 2025 boasts a premium exterior crafted with high-quality materials that give it a modern and stylish look. The phone features an ultra-slim profile with curved edges providing a comfortable grip. The back panel is made of matte-finished glass, reducing fingerprints and smudges while maintaining a premium feel. The front display stretches edge to edge, delivering a near bezel-less experience. With an IP rating for water and dust resistance, the phone is built to handle everyday challenges with ease. Moving on to its display, the Moto Edge40 2025 features a high refresh rate AMOLED panel that delivers vibrant colors and deep blacks. The screen resolution ensures crystal clear visuals, making it ideal for streaming, gaming and browsing. The improved brightness levels allow for excellent visibility even under direct sunlight. The in-display fingerprint sensor is faster and more accurate, adding an extra layer of security to the device. Under the hood, this phone is powered by the latest chipset paired with an efficient GPU and ample RAM, ensuring smooth multitasking and performance. Whether you are gaming, editing videos or running multiple apps simultaneously, the device handles it all without lag. The enhanced cooling system prevents overheating during intensive tasks. The Moto Edge40 2025 also offers a significant boost in battery life with optimized power consumption, giving users a full day of usage on a single charge. The fast charging technology allows for quick top UPS, minimizing downtime. For photography enthusiasts, the Moto Edge40 2025 comes with an advanced camera system that includes a high-resolution primary sensor, ultra-wide lens and a telephoto lens. The improved AI processing enhances image quality by optimizing colors, contrast and sharpness. Night mode delivers impressive low-light shots with minimal noise. The front camera is equipped with high megapixels, ensuring clear and detailed selfies. Video recording capabilities have also been upgraded with better stabilization and higher frame rates for professional quality content creation. The software experience on the Moto Edge40 2025 is seamless with the latest version of its custom UI built over Android. The clean and intuitive interface offers smooth navigation while providing useful customization options. The phone comes with minimal bloatware, ensuring a fast and efficient user experience. Features like gesture controls, always on display and enhanced privacy settings make using the phone convenient and secure. Additional features include stereo speakers with immersive sound quality for a great audio experience. Connectivity options include the latest wireless technology for faster internet speeds and seamless device pairing. The phone also supports extended software updates, ensuring long-term usability and security. In conclusion, the Moto Edge40 2025 is a well-rounded smartphone that excels in design, performance and user experience. With its premium build, stunning display, powerful hardware and versatile camera system, it is a solid choice for anyone looking for a high-end device. Whether you are a gamer, a content creator or just someone who wants a reliable smartphone, this device delivers on all fronts. Let us know your thoughts about the Moto Edge40 2025 in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech content. See you in the next one. Here's your YouTube script for the Moto Edge40 2025. Let me know if you'd like any tweaks or additions.